2009 Dodge Charger and inside 2007 HI. How to replace the fuel pump. To take up the door. And check the door.
What's going on, man?
Yeah. And take the bench seat. And take the cover. And take the connect. And take the cover, take the connect. Use a pet foot to take off the key. Yeah. The key. Take off the cover and same the on. Rotation. Take off the key. And out the fuel pump. The left side. And you need the fuel pump. New fuel pump 1501478 fuel pump. And right side out the fuel pump, right side. And you need the fuel pump 1503748. The fuel pump, the right side. And the out. And you put the new and put the connect and put the key. And put the fuel pump, put the connect, put the key. And you put the bench seat. And you drive. Thank you watching video. If you like, you put subscribe for me. Thank you. Next time I put new video.